back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is data entry, non-phone. We're going to dive on in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from Dreambox Learning. They're hiring a data entry specialist. This is remote within the United States. This is a contract temporary role. The length of the contract is only 6 weeks, but this is one of those things you can get experience to put on your resume, make a little bit of money in the process while you're looking for that permanent dream work from home job. With that being said, Dreambox Learning, I do have their Glassdoor page if you want to go read all the reviews, link down below. They have a 2.5 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor with 140 reviews. Now, I normally don't share things that are under 3 stars, but some people are commenting that they have a great work-life balance and culture. Some of the complaints are things about their not having a 401k match, but those things are not going to matter to this position since it is a 6-week contract position. So I just thought I would share. But they are basically looking for somebody to do daily internet research, report generation and review, and work closely with their product management analysts and others on daily responsibilities. They are looking for somebody who is great with Excel and internet research, somebody who has great communication skills, someone who can collaborate and drive results. And of course, you have to be legally authorized to work in the United States. Now, they are paying anywhere from $20.47 an hour all the way up to $27.29 an hour. Of course, that is going to be dependent on your experience and location. And of course, there are no benefits for this role since it is a temporary contract position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for or any feedback that you have for me on things I could do to improve this channel and make it more helpful for you. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.